So this morning I was briefed by General Reyek dun sa preparations natin for the security of the ASEAN Summit. At pumunta ako mismo dun sa area kung saan magkaroon ng mga activities ang ASEAN Summit. I went to inspect the areas and I am very happy to see that yung ating security preparations are already in place, no? And we are very confident that pagdating ng mga heads of state from the ASEAN countries, we will be able to secure them properly here in Cebu and in Mactan. Marami, thousands ang i-deploy natin. We cannot give you the specific numbers, but we are deploying Army, Air Force, and Navy. No? Naka-deploy rin yung ating mga ships, naka-standby yung ating mga aircraft, no? So for any emergencies. We are making sure that all the heads of state who are coming here for the ASEAN Summit are safe and secure. No? Kasi siyempre pinagkatiwala ng mga bansa na yon na yung kanilang heads of state ay pumunta dito to attend the meeting. So we have to make sure that they are safe and secure. Wala naman tayong na-monitor na threats. No? In fact, maganda yung ginagawa nating operations around Cebu and Mactan to ensure na walang mga threats that will come into this area.